necessary to ride the inevitable tide of change. The fifth generation of computer after mainframe, personal, client-server computing and the web is cloud computing. And with this, the journey with joining hands with Microsoft Student Partner Program begins. $42 billion is the estimated size of the cloud computing infrastructure market in 2012, growing 6 times faster than traditional IT spending. In short, what is cloud computing? In short, cloud is a term used to describe both a platform and type of application. The cloud computing platform dynamically provisions, configures, and reconfigures reprovisioned server as needed. Virtualization in cloud can be implemented in two levels, hardware level and software level. Over the long-term absence of other barriers, economics always wins over, and hence economic environment is accelerating adoption of cloud solutions. Over 20 billion businesses and over a billion people use cloud services. A real-time example of cloud computing for us in our college is Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, successfully set on the venture to set up the virtual labs using cloud computing. In the course of interview with our HOD, Dr. Devin Shah, he said cloud computing is a trend started to reuse the scrap computer parts. In our college, the cloud computing architecture is designed in this way. You can see the cloud controller is used for querying the node managers for information about resources, making high-level scheduling decisions, and implementing them by making requests to the center controller. Then comes the storage controller, as you can see here, is capable of interfacing with various storage systems, NFS and SCSI. The node controller, as you can see here, executes on every node that is designated for hosting VM instances. It queries and controls the system software on its node in response to the queries and control requests from its cloud computing. Cluster has ganglia. In order to load the node controller, we have instances of Ubuntu 9.04 having small configurations of 250 MB RAM and 3 GB hardware space. We then ran a CPU instance this program to maximize CPU utilization. A program called CPU Burn P6 is designed specially for Intel x86 architecture and executes a chunk of instructions from the instruction set of Intel architecture. As you can see, Walrus launches images of applications with the remote desktop on cloud, for example, Windows with Turbo C++, and this is how we log in to apps.spit.ac.in and perform practicals on a remote desktop. What is driving cloud computing? In the current era, one of the biggest obstacles faced by business organizations is to curtail the expenditure on setup and management of heavy computation infrastructure. Cloud computing provides solutions to tackle this problem of handling over the intricacies of infrastructure setup and management to third-party cloud providers. Cloud computing is faster, cheaper, and simpler to use. It provides a better hardware management since all the computers are same and run the same hardware. It provides easier management of data security, and since all the data is located on a central server. Microsoft Azure with cloud computing. Microsoft Azure confirmed the cloud computing platform with the commercially available this November for its Azure components. Compute at $0.12 per hour, storage at $0.15 per GB, storage transactions at $0.01 per PK. Cloud platforms are available from various vendors including Amazon, IBM, Google, but Microsoft Azure might be the best choice. Windows Azure is a Microsoft cloud-based application platform for developing, managing, and hosting applications outside. The cloud consists of the cloud, as you can see here, OS itself, which provides database services on the cloud. You can see here, cloud computing is a big wave in computing, and Microsoft may innovate and make advanced changes to the cloud capabilities available as a part of its product roadmap. I believe cloud computing represents the platform for Gen X of business. Cloud computing is driving the transformation of industry across the stack. IT industry, in virtual communities, real-time data share and analysis can add a different dimension to the existing scenario, and beyond the silver lining that the cloud holds, there can be dimensions of IT industries that may change. I believe that cloud computing may rule the world of IT in the coming Gen X. With this note, this is Anupama Mohan Bish from Sardar Patel Institute of Technology signing off. Waiting for your response.